Kids, let's learn how to use what, where and when. Welcome to Manushri and Malla tutorial. Sentences with what. What are these?
These are my birthday gifts.
What time is it?
It is 4 o'clock.
What are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my brother to arrive.
What is your name?
My name is Kelly.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Sentences with where. Where are my books?
It is in the cupboard.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Where is the nearest playground?
It is 10 minutes far away.
Where is the rat?
The rat is in the shoe.
Where is the party?
The party is at my house.
Sentences with when. When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
When do you play?
I play after the school.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 6 November.
When are you free?
I am free in the evening.
When are you going home?
I will go home on Thursday.
Follow for more videos.
Please like, share and subscribe.